Being successful in computer games is the dream of many young people today. And the fact that computer games are popular has a great effect on this. Most of the people who have the dream I mentioned think that they can achieve this only with good equipment, but gathering enough equipment is not enough to reach this dream. And you will take firm steps towards success with these 5 rules. Rules for success in video games. 1. Getting information about the game dreamed of. Before you start playing the games we have, you should collect important information about how to play the game from various channels, watch the people who play this game well, and make sure that you learn what the game is based on, the strategies you need to use, what you need to do during the game. It is one of the most important rules. Because when you enter the game in this way, the graphics in the game will not be unfamiliar to you, and you will have enough equipment to both a better game experience and to defeat the opponent. 2. Entering ranked matches without warming up to the game. As we know, games played on the internet are given the right to enter ranked matches that will give you rank after reaching a certain level. And the common mistake of the players starts here. Players who enter ranked games before they get warm enough generally start with a bad rank. Because there is an effort and willingness to reach any rank among them. But we will not fall into this trap we set ourselves. We will prepare ourselves for the grade by playing normal games that do not determine the grade until we get warm enough, until we reach the grade to enter the game. And if we are now self-confident and we feel ready, it is time to gain a certain rank. 3. Achieving the best performance. We are now ready to earn a rank. And we got into ranked match. First of all, we need to know ourselves. Ask yourself where and what kind of game I can be the best. When you receive the answer, settle in positions appropriate to your answer. And remember what you will do in those positions, like your name. This will keep you away from panicking in the game. In this way, you will be a player who is well concentrated on the calm game. This will take you a big step forward in becoming the best. 4. Adequate equipment. Even though the equipment does not work alone, you cannot push the limits of the game if you do not have the equipment that the game wants. For example, latency time, which is related to your internet speed, called ping in general FPS games, determines the fate of your game. The higher your lag time, the less your gaming pleasure and success will be. This shows that your internet speed is not enough for you and the game, that is, you could not be successful in the game due to lack of equipment. For this reason, make sure that your equipment is at least adequate, if not very good. In this way, you will increase both your game pleasure and your success in the game. 5. Get along with your team. If you play a game based on team play, keep yourself well with your team. Even if the game goes bad to each other, don't get angry, on the contrary, try to improve each other's morale. For example, instead of yelling, swearing, or offending a teammate who plays bad, tell him to be more careful, keep his communication with the team high and play for the team. In this way, the game will improve significantly on your part, and then you will start to enjoy the game. Let's say you were the one who went bad and did not achieve the success you wanted in the game. Don't blame your teammates. Instead of telling you that you died because of them or that you couldn't kill an opponent, say that the next time you try to help you more, you can be successful. In this way, you will not both raise awareness of your teammate and increase your nerve coefficient. If your teammate continues to be angry with you despite your behaving this way and makes speeches or accusations that lower your morale and success, silence him from the game. Riot Games, conducting a research on this issue, found that players who were more tolerant of their friends in League of Legends won on average 70% more games than other players. And they say this on the game's loading screen. You will be calmer and win more games in the games you play now. It's that simple to be successful in computer games. With proper attention to the steps and skill, everything will get better.